COVID hits, everyone goes home. You're now working 80 to 100 hours a week from home. And then tell me, at what stage are you like, okay, get me out of this? Because I think there's a lot of
Yeah.
people dropping off. A lot of first year analysts already 7 months in are dropping out, first year analysts, from what we're seeing in the forums. So I'd like to hear kind of as an analyst associate promote what it was like for you.
Yeah. So I would say the work from home thing, at least for me, made things way better. Like I had a way better work life balance from home. And honestly, when COVID, hopefully soon, everything goes back to normal. I hope banks really implement a culture where working from home is okay multiple times a week. I think it does wonders. I think that
Because you could do laundry and
why
stuff.
yeah, it's everything from laundry to, cooking your own meal, just taking 30 minutes out of your day to go on a walk. It's just, I think it's really great. And other industries like consulting or even my friends who work in tech, working from home has been the norm for a while. I don't know why in Wall Street it hasn't.
So I'm surprised you say that because every associate I talked to during COVID, or it feels like almost every associate was drowning. So you were still drowning in the sense of hours, but it's just that switch to home was really good for you.
Yeah, I mean, I was drowning even
Either
like to
way.
be honest, you're going to be drowning either way. It's the dynamic of what's going on in the world,
Hmm.
and I mean, it's not fun to be drowning, but if you can be comfortable in your own home and work efficiently and have a good setup, why not?